Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Everand subscription. Okay, so basically you can cancel your subscription by using two methods. The first method is for Android users and the second method is for iOS users. Okay, so it depends on where you have purchased your subscription. If you have purchased your subscription on Android, first of all you need to visit on your Play Store and you need to tap on the option in the you can say top side on the your profile icon. You need to select payments and subscription and you need to select subscription. Now you will see your active list of subscription. You need to choose your Everand book and after that you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. If you have purchased your subscription on iOS device, then you need to open your iOS phone and you need to visit on your settings icon and you need to open your Apple ID profile and you need to select payments and subscription. You need to select your Everand subscription from the list of active apps and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So these are the methods by which you can cancel your Everand subscription. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.